I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Here we have a 1969 Alfa Spider Series 1 1750cc, one of only 200 right-hand drive of this iconic boat-tail model. It's really a used and improved car. It does drive well. It's an older restoration that has serious potential. Look at the price that this one made recently, €82,800. Plausible mileage showing of 91,000. The interior is all there. Good seats, carpets, original unmodified dash. Engine bay is tidy enough. I believe it's a matching numbers. Boot floor is good, fuel tank is good. It's underneath where we have a few issues. She's had previous work. This car was restored around 20 years ago by Alfa specialists, but some of the welding work wouldn't pass muster in today's high standard climate. As well as these repairs, there's also a couple of holes in both footwells, as you shall see now. Here, the passenger side. Also the chassis rail needs a weld, and the driver's side. She also requires a new soft top.
Let's go for a little spin. Mechanically, this car is in reasonably good condition. She starts very easily. Steering is tight. We've 4 of the 5 dials are working, just the temperature gauge is not. Oil pressure is very good. Seems a good state of tune, there's no bangs or pops out of it. Very sweet actually. Brakes firmly, she's had recent work done to the calipers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. As you can see, quite a clean gear change. Tiny bulking going into second, and that was it. Likewise down the gears.
I'm asking €29,950, which today works out at 24,950 sterling. Surely there can't be another one around with such potential at this price. Check out my 5-star rating on TRUSTPILOT. We deliver free of charge nationwide.